Good morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and I got a comment from somebody named Ben that said he liked my frogs, so I thought I would do a frog today, and I'm going to do it on the stone, and I get my black Sculpey 3 polymer clay, which works really good on stones from my experience, and I'm going to seal the stone with GAC 100 made by Golden, or you could use other acrylic products or paint or whatever you like really, but that's what I'm going to use. And so let's get started. Okay, after you have your piece sculpted, you want to take a damp paintbrush. I used to use alcohol. I don't really use it anymore that much. I use water. Trying to update the information, the video descriptions on the on that too, on the smoothing videos. But yeah, I mean, you can use alcohol, but I just use water more these days. That's all. You can use alcohol. It doesn't hurt really. Really small pieces. You know, I think alcohol can cut into the clay. But yeah, whatever you want. I mean, I like the water's readily accessible. You know, I've always got it on hand, right? Comes out of the sink. But yeah, go around and smooth your sculpture and get it how you want. And then we'll do a finish. And so I use Pearl Pigments for the finish. I put it right on the soft clay. And the reason why I like black clay is because, I don't have to paint it or anything. I can just go right into, putting the finish on, and then I'm done. So this is red russet. And so what I do is I get my brush a little damp with water, dab it off, pick up a little bit of the red russet, and move it to the lid here, and then just kind of dab it on the table to subdue it. I'm going to do the mushroom cap in it. The water just helps it go on. It just works nicely. Help spread it. Red russet is a pretty color. Very bright. And yeah, so we'll just do it up. Okay, here we are. Cute little guy. I really dig doing the book reading flowers, you know. A lot. I like it. So, yeah, well, thank you, Ben, for the inspiration. If you guys have something in mind you'd like to see me make, let me know. I get inspired when people get involved and say something, you know. Feel free to leave a comment. I'm trying to respond to all comments. If you have a question, ask me, and I'll reply. And you can also email me pictures of your work. I'd love to see what you're doing with my tutorials. Absolutely. So please give the video a like, share it with your friends and family. Again, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Oh, baking instructions will be in the video description down below the video. Down below. Bye.